Hello everyone, this is our 35th video tutorial under the GCSE topic revision guide called Venn Diagram. In this topic, we're going to discuss a couple of important theory, sets, how to find the intersection of two sets, union of sets and complementary sets, and how to find out some problem involving sets. Rather than having a separate theory, I'm going to explain in the exam style questions 2 sets and 3 sets separately. But we have a complete separate tutorial for shading the Venn diagrams. So how to shade and find out the elements of any sets on a separate tutorial. So this tutorial is mainly for the problem solving Venn diagram questions. Let's look at some exam style questions. This is the tutorial we are going to discuss on this video session. You can download this tutorial from our website at www.smarttutor.co.uk/worksheet.php, or follow the link in the description. You can get the tutorial in PDF format. If you're following the website under the Year 11 section, you can download this tutorial. Let's look at some exam style questions now. Question number 1. Here is a Venn diagram and write down the numbers that are in the set. Right. First of all, A intersection B. A intersection B means has to be the common one in the middle. So you need to write A intersection B is curly bracket start 9, 4 or 4, 9. It doesn't matter. So that is the intersection B. A union B. A union B means everything in the A circle and the B circle. Everything in the A and B circle. So curly bracket start 25, 16, 36, 9, 4, 5. Curly bracket closed. A dash intersection B. So if you have any problem finding this one straight away, find the A dash first. What is A dash? A dash means not A. A dash means, the meaning of A dash means a complementary. So that means not A. So anything outside of the A is possible. So A dash means 17, 5, 40. Right? 17, 40, 5 are outside of the A. B is 9, 4, 5. So if you compare these two sets, the common one, intersection means common one, is the 5. 5 is the common one. So A dash intersection B is only 5. One of the members in the diagram is chosen at random. Find the probability that the number is in set B dash. So set B dash means, what is set B dash? So we need to find out B dash means not B. So what are the numbers will come for B dash? 40 will come, 17 will come, 25, 16, 36. The meaning for B dash means not B. Not B. So the cover the B circle, anything outside of the B circle is B dash. So how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the probability is, probability of B dash is 5 upon, totally how many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 5 upon 8 is the answer for the part D. Question number 2. Here is a Venn diagram. Write down the numbers that are in set C intersection D. C intersection D is, so C intersection D is the common elements for C and D. So in the middle 5 comma 9. Curly bracket close. C union D. We already understand what is union. Union means everything inside the C and D circle. So 1, 4, 5, 9, 6. Next one, C dash. If you want, you can write the C dash. What is C dash? Cover the C, anything outside of the C, which is 7, 6, 11. B is 5, 6, 9. So 6 is the common element. So C dash intersection D is 6. Last question. One of the numbers in the diagram is chosen at random. Find the probability that the number is in the set C dash intersection D dash. So here they change the question a little bit. We need to find out what is C dash and what is D dash. Then we will find out the intersection. C dash. C dash means cover the C, anything outside of the C. So anything outside of the C is C dash, which is 7, 6, 11. Anything outside of the D dash is 1, 4, 11, 7. C dash intersection D dash is 7 is the common one and 11 is the other common one. So 7 and 11 is common for C dash and D dash. So there are only two elements. So read the question again. One of the numbers in the diagram is chosen at random. Find the probability that are in the set. So probability of C dash intersection D dash, only two numbers out of how many numbers there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 out of 7. Next question. Question number 3. There are 75 students in E11. So I'm going to put the universal set as 75. 11 students study French and German. So in the middle 11 students. 21 students only study French. Only. That's a tricky here. Only means 21 comes here. 11 students do not study French or German. So outside is 11 here. So we need to find out what is in this section. So add them up. 11, 21, 11. So 11 plus 11, 22 plus 21 is 30, 43. Take away from 75. 75 take away 43. 2 and 3. So 32 people only German. Work out how many students study only German. 32. One of the students is chosen at random. Find the probability that the students study only German. So only German is 32 out of 75. One of the students is chosen at random. Find the probability that the students study both German and French. So 11 upon 75 is both French and German out of total is 75. That is the answer for the question number D. Question number 4. In a class of 30 students, so universal set is 30, 15 students play piano. So the first circle we label that as piano, and the second circle we label that as a guitar. So 15 people piano, 12 people guitar, 6 students play neither instrument, right? So 6 students play neither instruments, means 6 is outside. Now what you want to do is, if you add everything, so 15 plus 12, so 15 plus 12 and 6, so 27, 33. So the difference between 33 minus 33, that 3 has to become in the middle. Now 15 take away 3 is 12. 12 take away 3 is 9. So if I add all the numbers here, 12 plus 3 is 15, 24 plus 6 is 30. This is how to fill up this Venn diagram. So add them up, take away from 33 minus 30, which is 3, that is the intersection part. A student is selected at random. Work out the probability that the student only plays piano. Only plays piano is 12 upon 30. So if you can simplify, 6 upon 15, so 2 upon 5. Work out the probability that the student only plays guitar. Only plays guitar. So that means 9 upon 30. So 3 upon 10. Work out the probability that the student plays piano and guitar. So that is 3 upon 30, which is 1 upon 10. That is the answer for the question number D. Question number 4D. Question number 5. Tom did a survey with his school friends which sports they enjoy from football, hockey and rugby. How many people enjoy only rugby? Only rugby is 3. How many people enjoy rugby and hockey only? Rugby and hockey only means this section. Only means this section is 5. How many people enjoy rugby and hockey? There is no only there. So rugby and hockey means the entire intersection will come. 31 plus 5, which is 36. How many people enjoy only one sports? Only one sports means this 5, this 4 and this 3. 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 5 is 12. Last question. How many people enjoy football and rugby but not hockey? Football and rugby. So how many people enjoy football and rugby? There is a football and rugby in this region, not hockey. So 17 is the answer. 17 people like football and rugby, but they are not part of the hockey circle. So the answer for the last question is 17. They enjoy football and rugby, but not hockey. That is the answer for question number 5. Question number 6. The Venn diagram shows information about the pets owned by 40 girls. C stands for girls who own a cat. D stands for girls who own a dog. A student is chosen at random. Work out the probability that they own a dog or a cat only. So cat only is this region. Dog only is this region. So we need to find out the value, and after that we can put that in the probability format. First of all, the 40 girls is the total girls of this Venn diagram. So we can write an equation x plus 3 plus 7 plus 4x plus 3x minus 6 equal 40. So x times x is x squared plus 3x plus 7, 4x plus 3 is 7x minus 6 minus 40 equals 0. Now collect the like terms. X squared, 3x plus 7x is 10x, and 7 take away 6 is 1, 1 take away 40 is minus 39 equals 0. Now we need to know 39's two numbers factors. The factors need to be take away gives 10. So we know it's 13 and 3 is 39, 13 take away 3 is 10. So two brackets, x plus 13, x minus 3 equals 0. So x plus 13 equals 0, x equal minus 30. X minus 3 equals 0, x equal 3. So negative number not possible. So the answer for the x is 3 is the answer. If x equal 3 means, so 3 plus 3 is 6 times 3 is 18 is in this section, 4x is 12 in this section. 3 times 4 is 12. So work out the probability. So probability of own a dog or a cat only equal 18 plus 12 is 30 or 40. So if you simplify, 3 upon 4. Question number 7. Here is a Venn diagram. A number is chosen at random. Find the following. Probability of A intersection B. Careful, probability means you need to find out how many elements in intersection. 2 numbers are in intersection out of how many numbers in total? 1, 2, 3. So number is chosen at random. Find the following. So here I wanted to consider these numbers are like an individual number. So 2 numbers out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 2 out of 7 numbers. So a number is chosen at a random. Find the following. So P, probability of A intersection B. So A intersection B means 2 numbers out of 7 numbers. Probability of A union B. So probability of A union B means all the numbers inside the A and B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers out of 7 numbers. Probability of A dash. A dash means, careful, A dash means not A. So which is not A? 8, 11, 10 and 12. So 4 numbers is A dash and B is 5, 1, 8, 11, 10. So what is intersection? 8 and 8 is 11 and 11, 10 and 10. 8, 11, 10 is the intersection. So 3 out of 7. Now this is the new maybe a formula, you don't know that one. I'll explain this one here. Probability of B given that A. So this stroke A, a stroke line, this line is meant to be read as a given that. So here you need to remember the formula for this one. This is equivalent to probability of these 2 letters intersection. Probability of A intersection B or B intersection A is same. The given that A, so that is the total number. Now probability of A is the total number. Whatever the letter coming after the stroke, that is the total number. So probability of A intersection B is 2 numbers out of probability of A is out of 3 numbers. So 2 upon 3 is the answer for the this question. Probability of A stroke B. So that is going to be probability of A intersection B because the same letters involved. But this time is probability of B. Out of the B, how many are intersections? It's 2 out of B, 5 numbers there. So 2 upon 5 is the answer for this question. That is the end of our tutorial. If you like to download the tutorial, please refer to the link in the description or refer to our website link given in the slide, and the description also gives some useful links to download the PDF version of this tutorial. I hope you like the video. If you do like the video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel to watch the upcoming videos. Thank you so much.